Have you ever stopped to think about the profound role a father plays in a family? Often he's the unsung hero, the silent backbone supporting the family structure. He's there, steadfast, providing the necessary strength and stability, often without a word of complaint or a demand for recognition. His love is unspoken, expressed in actions rather than words, a quiet kind of affection that often goes unnoticed. In the tapestry of a family's life, a father's role is as vital as a mother's. It's a role that is often overlooked, underappreciated, eclipsed by the more visible roles of others. Yet it's the father who often stands as the protector, the provider, the fortress against the storms of life. Imagine, if you will, a king, a ruler of a castle whose subjects depend on him for guidance and protection. This king doesn't wear a crown or sit on a throne. Instead, his kingdom is a home filled with laughter and love. His subjects, a family who look to him for reassurance and support. His crown is invisible to the eye, but it's there, in the respect and love his family holds for him. This king is a father, the unsung hero of the family. He's the one who checks the doors at night, ensuring the safety of his kingdom. He's the one who wakes up early, often before the sun, to prepare for the day ahead. He's the one who carries the weight of the world on his shoulders, so his family doesn't have to. He's the one who works tirelessly, often sacrificing his own needs and desires to provide for his family. Yet despite his immense contribution, his role often goes unnoticed, unappreciated. The sacrifices he makes, the burdens he bears, are often invisible, hidden beneath the facade of strength and stoicism. Today we delve into the story of a father who goes above and beyond for his family. A father who, like a king, reigns over his household with love, strength, and dedication. A father who is truly the unsung hero of the family. Meet John, a humble father with an extraordinary tale. John, the king of his castle, the heart of his home, is an everyday man with an extraordinary story. A tale of love, sacrifice, and resilience that beautifully showcases the lengths a father will go to ensure the happiness and well-being of his family. John is a man of simple tastes. He loves a good book, enjoys a hearty meal, and finds solace in the quietude of nature. But his life is anything but simple. His world revolves around his family, his queen, his wife, and their two little princes. His love for them is as vast as the ocean, as deep as the deepest trench, and as unyielding as the tallest mountain. Every morning, as the sun peeps over the horizon, John rises from his bed, not out of obligation, but out of love. He prepares breakfast, ensuring each plate is filled with nourishing food to fuel the day ahead. He then heads to work, a job that demands long hours and offers scarce respite. Yet he performs his duties diligently, knowing that his efforts provide for the comforts his family enjoys. His days are long, and his nights often short. But John never complains. He carries his burdens with a smile, his tiredness masked by the love he holds for his family. His sacrifices often go unnoticed, his efforts seldom acknowledged. But he doesn't seek recognition or applause. The smiles on his family's faces, their laughter echoing through the hallways of their home, their dreams nurtured and ambitions supported, these are his rewards. These are what fuel him, pushing him to strive and strive some more. There are days when the weight of his responsibilities seems too heavy to bear, days when the challenges seem insurmountable. But John never lets these moments of weakness show. He stands tall, a beacon of strength and stability, shouldering his responsibilities like a king shouldering his crown. His love for his family, his desire to provide for them, to protect them, to ensure their happiness. These are his driving forces, his guiding light through the darkest of days. John's story isn't unique. There are countless fathers around the world who live similar lives, who make similar sacrifices. Fathers who work tirelessly, love unconditionally, and give of themselves selflessly. They are the unsung heroes of our societies, the kings of their castles, the hearts of their homes. John's story is a testament to the lengths to which a father will go for his family. His tale shines a spotlight on the extraordinary love and selflessness that is often overlooked but is inherent in the role of a father. It's a tale that serves as both an inspiration and a reminder of the silent sacrifices made by fathers around the world, and an inspiration for us all to appreciate and acknowledge these everyday heroes. Beneath the surface of John's tale are countless unseen sacrifices. Just as the sun disappears beneath the horizon each evening, there are countless moments in John's life that remain out of sight, yet still profoundly shape his world. These are the sacrifices he makes for his family, the unseen acts of love that define his role as a father and husband. It's the early mornings when the rest of the world is still asleep, and John is already up, putting together lunchboxes and ironing school uniforms. It's the late nights when he trades in hours of much-needed sleep to help his children with their homework, ensuring they're prepared for the challenges of the next day. In the midst of the hustle and bustle, it's easy to overlook the moments when John quietly steps back from his own needs and desires, like when he passes on the last piece of cake at dinner, or forfeits his weekend golf game to take his family on an impromptu picnic. These instances may seem small, yet they are immense in their significance. John's sacrifices extend beyond the physical. They reach into the depths of emotional strength, as he often bears the weight of worry and stress to keep his family sheltered from life's storms. He is the rock that stands firm amidst the waves, the lighthouse guiding his family safely through the fog of uncertainty. And let's not forget the dreams he's put on hold, the personal ambitions he's set aside to prioritize his family's needs. There's a world of untold stories hidden within John's sacrifices, stories of resilience, selflessness, and boundless love. Yet in all of this, John finds his joy. His sacrifices are not a burden, but a badge of honor. He wears them proudly, for they represent the love he has for his family, a love that is relentless, unwavering, and all-encompassing. These sacrifices are a testament to John's unfaltering love and dedication to his family. Each one is a silent pledge, a promise to uphold the well-being and happiness of his family above all else. Every king deserves a crown, and every father, recognition. In the grand tapestry of life, we often overlook the threads that hold it all together. In the context of a family, those threads are often the fathers, like our dear friend John. They're the unsung heroes, the solid foundations upon which our lives are built. They keep the wheels of the family turning, often quietly in the background. Fathers are the kings of their castles, not by virtue of power, but by virtue of love. They rule not with an iron fist, but with a gentle hand. They protect, they provide, they persevere. They are the silent sentinels who stand guard when the night is darkest, the guiding stars that lead us home. Yet, how often do we pause to acknowledge their efforts? How frequently do we express our gratitude for their sacrifices? The truth is, not nearly enough. Our fathers don't seek applause or accolades. They don't yearn for the spotlight. They simply do what needs to be done, day in, day out, asking for nothing in return. But every king deserves his crown. A symbol of authority, yes, but also of respect and recognition. A crown isn't just a piece of ornate headgear, it's an emblem of a king's worth, a testament to his deeds. Our fathers may not wear physical crowns, but they deserve recognition no less. So, let's take a moment to appreciate these kings without crowns, to recognize their efforts, their sacrifices, their unwavering dedication. Let's not wait for Father's Day to express our gratitude. Let's make it an everyday practice. Let's tell them they matter, they're valued, they're loved. Because acknowledgement is the crown every father deserves. It's a small gesture on our part, but it means the world to them. It's a way of saying, I see you, I appreciate you, I thank you. Just as a crown signifies a king's authority, recognition signifies a father's worth. It's time we redefined the narrative. As we draw to a close, we implore you to consider the fathers around you, the kings of their households, who give without expectation of return. They are the quiet heroes, often overlooked, their sacrifices unseen. It's crucial to acknowledge these sacrifices, to show our appreciation for their unwavering dedication and love. Let's not wait for Father's Day or a birthday to express our gratitude. Let's make it a daily ritual, a simple thank you, a warm smile, a hug. Small actions, yes, but they carry immense weight. They say, I see you, I appreciate you, I love you. Let's redefine the narrative together. Let's change the way we see our fathers, not just as providers or protectors, but as the loving, selfless kings they truly are. Let's give them the recognition they deserve, today and every day. Remember, in the kingdom of family, the father is a king who deserves his crown.